In this video, we're going to quickly walk you through how to generate invoices in Salesforce, making it easy for you to manage your billing process directly in the platform. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate and send professional invoices in no time. Before we get into it, make sure to check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive free trial and bonus features that will help you get started with Salesforce today. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you need to know is that Salesforce uses a feature called Salesforce Billing to handle invoicing. If you don't have this feature yet, you'll need to enable it. Head over to your Salesforce setup page, search for Salesforce Billing, and follow the steps to set it up. This is the key tool that will allow you to generate invoices directly within the system. Next, you'll need to create a billing account. A billing account links all the invoicing data to a specific customer. To create one, go to the Accounts section in Salesforce, select the account you're invoicing, and simply click New Billing Account. Here, you'll add relevant billing information, including payment terms and contact details. Now, once your billing account is set up, it's time to create the actual invoice. Go to your Opportunities or Orders in Salesforce. These are often where you manage customer transactions. From here, you'll link the opportunity or order to the billing account. This is where Salesforce pulls all the necessary data to generate an invoice automatically. The next thing you need to do is review and finalize your invoice template. Salesforce provides customizable invoice templates that allow you to adjust the layout and information based on your needs. You can find these templates under the Billing section in your Salesforce setup. Make sure all the details are correct before moving forward. After you've set up your template, it's time to generate the invoice. Go to the Invoice section within your billing account and select the option to create a new invoice. Salesforce will pull in all the information from your connected opportunity or order, and with just a few clicks, you'll have a professionally generated invoice ready to go. The next thing you should know is that Salesforce also allows you to automate the sending of invoices. You can configure email templates to send invoices directly to your customers as soon as they're generated. This helps streamline the whole billing process and saves you time. Finally, if you want to track and manage your invoices, Salesforce provides a dashboard for all your billing and invoicing data. You can easily track payment status, overdue invoices, and even get reports on your revenue, all directly within Salesforce. And there you have it. Generating invoices in Salesforce is a simple and efficient process once you know the steps. If you want to try Salesforce for yourself, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive and extended free trial, along with some bonus features that'll help you make the most of the platform. That's all for today's quick Salesforce guide. See you in the next video.